Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to be going through some slimes, so let's get right into it. Starting off with Bear Hot Cocoa, which is an amazing slime, and it's just so jiggly and just so amazing, and the color is amazing, and look at that jiggle. It's just so amazing. So this is a jiggly slime, and the charm is just too cute. Next, we have Cotton Candy Cloud, which is a 2-layer slime where the top is icy and then the bottom is like a cloud but with lotion in it, and it makes for a really interesting texture together. And it is such a nice color, and it is just so pretty, and it's just such a good slime. And I didn't scent any of these, but obviously if I did, it would be Cotton Candy Cloud. And the bubble pops in the end are really, really good. Next is Bamboo Crunch, which is a green Bingsu slime that is just amazing. And again, if it was scented, I think I'd scent it like a eucalyptus leaf kind of deal. You know what I mean? Like incense kind of. And it's just a really good slime, but most of the ASMR in the end is really just the Bingsu beads falling out. Next is this pink slime that is my personal favorite from all of these slimes, but also it doesn't really have a name. I couldn't think of a good name for it, so leave suggestions in the comments. And it's just absolutely amazing, and I don't know what I'd scent it, but overall it's a really good slime. Finally, we have Kawaii Moon. So this is like a cloud cream snow butter kind of deal that's a really pretty color. And if this was scented, it'd probably be like a lavender, like outside air kind of smell. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, maybe like tea. But it's a really great feeling. And as you can hear in the ASMR, the bubble pops aren't very good, but it's a really good slime anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Which one was your favorite? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.